In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link unrelated tasks in Microsoft Project Hammock tasks. When you build schedules in Microsoft Project, you're probably used to adding normal dependencies, like finish to start links so one task drives another. But sometimes you don't want a logical dependency. You just want a task to span between the start of one activity and the finish of another, even though they're not dependent. That's where a Hammock task comes in. Think of it as a level of effort bar that hangs between two dates and stretches or shrinks automatically as those dates move. Start by creating the Hammock task in your task list. Give it a clear, generic name, something like overhead work or project support, so it's obvious what it represents. Make sure the task is set to auto-scheduled. This matters because Project needs permission to update its start and finish automatically. If you see manual scheduled, switch to auto-scheduled on the Task tab so the dates will respond to changes. Now, link the Hammock's start to the task you want it to begin with. Go to that anchor task, click in its start date cell, and copy it. Ctrl+C is the quickest way. Then go back to your Hammock task, click in the Start field, and on the ribbon choose Task. Then paste special. Select Paste Link. You've just told Project to keep the Hammock start in sync with that other task's start. Repeat the process for the Hammock's finish. Find the unrelated task you want to anchor the end to, select its finish date, copy it, return to the Hammock task's finish field, and use Paste Special again with Paste Link. Now the Hammock spans exactly between those two external dates. From here on, you don't have to touch the Hammock's dates. If either anchor task shifts earlier or later, the Hammock adjusts automatically, expanding or contracting to match. This is perfect for activities that run for the duration of a phase, administration, ongoing coordination, or general oversight, without forcing artificial logic into your network. A few tips to keep things smooth. Avoid typing directly into the Hammock's start or finish after linking, because that will overwrite the link. If you ever need to break the link, simply clear the cell and re-enter a date or create a new link. Keep an eye on your anchor tasks. If one is deleted or replaced, reapply the paste link so the Hammock stays valid. And remember, you don't need traditional dependencies here. The Hammock is driven purely by those linked dates. That's it. You've created a dynamic Hammock task that accurately reflects real-world effort across unrelated activities.